Here at FleetPro Truck Center, we're not just about fixing trucks and trailers. We're about keeping your business moving. Our team of highly skilled technicians, mechanics, and dedicated staff are committed to ensuring your fleet runs at peak performance. Whether it's routine maintenance, emergency road service, or major repairs, we've got you covered. We know that minimizing downtime is crucial for the trucking industry. That's why our parts department is always well-stocked with high-quality parts to keep your trucks on the road and in top shape. Our commitment to customer satisfaction is steadfast. We understand the importance of trust when it comes to your business. That's why we're dedicated to providing reliable service and ensuring your fleet runs smoothly. Visit us at FleetProTruckCenter.com and experience the difference.